Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace battery in Nissan Pathfinder key fob, full guide. Use a small flathead to pry the seam gently, remove the old battery, and note its plus orientation before discarding it safely. Insert the new CR 2032 with the correct side up, press the halves together until they click, and test the lock, unlock, and panic buttons to confirm operation. Start by locating the seam and the small slot where the emergency key tucks in, then insert the flathead and twist gently to open. Separate the halves carefully, lift the circuit board slightly if needed, and expose the battery without touching the contacts. Always handle the board by the edges and set the cover aside on a soft cloth to prevent scratches or lost parts. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel and keeps guides coming. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for background music or timers while you work. It pairs perfectly with hands-on projects. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Remove the old CR 2032 using your fingernail or the screwdriver tip, noting the orientation of the positive side. Place the new battery in the same orientation, ensuring a snug fit and no bending of the contacts. Snap the case closed, reinsert the emergency key if removed, then test lock, unlock, trunk, and panic functions to confirm the swap worked and the fob responds reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.